Welcome to Onset Engineering. Today I would like to go over our standard process for silicon overmolding, SLA printed prototype. As manufacturing engineers, we make components manufacturable and functional. For example, in this case, we have a nose splint for the nose surgery patients. When the design comes here, we update the design to allow overmolding of different material on the tips, so it creates the comfort for the patients when it goes into the nose. We use SLA printing for detailed parts that they function that later could be injection molded. In this video, I would like to show you how to clean those parts. You take the printed part out from the trays, then you rinse them with alcohol. We use 99% isopropyl alcohol. I rinse them first to release the resin, and then I place them in the ultrasonic cleanser for a couple of minutes. You should know if the parts are clean by seeing it wet or not when it's taken out. Sometimes if you don't change the alcohol, it will saturate it and it won't able to clean. Therefore, changing alcohol when you see it saturated will help with cleaning process. After you take them out of the ultrasonic cleanser, you let them sit for like 15 minutes or blow them with the air. Then you cure them in the UV light about 15 minutes each side. Don't over-cure them since it could make the material more brittle. Now this part is to prepare for molding process. As you see here, we clean the support for the part, then we align the mold part into the molds. Then we mix the mold material for injection molding. To be the manufacturer, you have to be on the top of material. Choosing the right material is part of the job. In this case, the material has to be soft or rubber-like for patient to feel comfortable, so it also need to be biocompatible. Therefore, we pick up Resin Skin 10 NV from Smooth On. The material usually clear, but you can add any color that you like. Remember to mix very well or it won't be cured properly. The mold usually have multiple holes, so when you inject the material in one hole, the material will go through the cavity, and when the cavity is filled up, the material will come out from the other hole, so you know when to stop. For this Resin Skin material, I place them into the oven at 40 Celsius for 20 minutes, and I will take it out to open the mold. Then I repeat the same process of injection molding for the other side. This manufacturing process is appropriate for low volume prototypes since the cost is really low and it's really fast to make those parts. The prototypes could be tested for functional before we create the permanent tooling and manufacturing process for higher volume, which we could have to use the molding machine.